You don't have a motivation problem. You have a system problem. If you keep waiting to feel like studying, you'll keep losing. Here's the truth. You're not studying because your brain is choosing easy dopamine, phone, scrolling, distractions, over hard work. And every time you delay, your brain learns. Avoiding is safe. So it's not laziness. It's a habit loop you've trained. The solution isn't more motivation. It's making studying easier to start than to avoid. Step 1. Make it stupidly easy. Don't say, I'll study for 3 hours. Say, I'll study for 5 minutes. Starting kills resistance. Step 2. Remove friction. Keep your books open, phone in another room, no setup, no excuses. Step 3. Use the 50-10 rule. Study 50 minutes, break 10. Repeat. Your brain works better in sprints, not marathons. Step 4. Decide before emotions hit. Plan when and what you'll study the night before, because in the moment, your feelings will lie. You don't need to feel ready. You need to act before you feel ready. Start small. Stay consistent. That's how discipline is built, and that's how your life changes.